Hello everyone, and how are we all doing today? I hope your week went very well. So today I'm going to be showing us how to actually create this, and of course I'll be showing you all of the dimensions that we need for this. Now you can decide to stitch, you can decide to use a synthetic leather, or you can decide to use a genuine leather for this particular wallet. And I'm going to be teaching us two different types. Now this, you can easily keep your money inside it. You can keep your ATM cards, your ID cards, and all of that inside this particular one. It's very portable. It's very portable. So all of the processes when it comes to cutting, dimension, and the finishing, of course, I am going to be showing you in this video. Of course, we are going to be learning two different kind of wallets. This is going to be the second one. This is also quite very simple and easy to create. So I'm still going to be your tutor today. Sit back and I'm going to be right back. All right, for this particular one, the bigger one is 16 centimeter by 11 centimeter, while the next one is 7 centimeter by 11 centimeter. Now the smallest one is 11 centimeter by 6 centimeter. So all of them has the same width, it's just their height. You understand that is all different. So like the one I'm positioning now, the size is 7 centimeter by 11 centimeter. That's the size of that one I'm placing on the bigger one. That bigger one is 16 centimeter by 11 centimeter. Now you can go ahead and actually stitch after you have added this. I'm doing this for the sake of those who are beginners and does not know how to stitch. So you can use a synthetic leather, you can use a genuine leather. It depends on what quality of wallet you want to create. So you can actually do this in different ways. Now you can see me inserting all of these. Even my phones can enter into it. It's so beautiful. Now all of the edges, try to check it out. If it's not smooth, ensure that you trim them all. I'm going to be using my grinding machine to actually grind the edges. Of course, if you don't have a grinding machine, just ensure that you trim all of the edges perfectly well, and you will love the look that you're going to be having at the end of the day. Now you can see what the final outcome looks like. It's so cute and beautiful. This can be made into different leather, it's in different colors, different color combination. So, and it's a perfect gift as a Christmas gift for your customers, for friends and family as well, and you can make a lot of money from this as well. All right, now let's go to the second one. Now for this second one, this is actually very easy to create. All you need is just all different sections, and it will help you to be able to know what you actually want to use it for. Let's say you want to use it to probably you want to insert pen into it. You want a kind of wallet that will be good for pen. Then you can go ahead and make it longer than this. If you look at this, I sectioned it. This width is 9. This part is just about 8 centimeter. The lower part is about 13 centimeter. So all you need to do is just go ahead and shape them into different forms. The flap is 8 centimeter long. You understand? The main body is 12.5 centimeter, while the front part that will be, closing up with the flap is actually 13 centimeters. So I took a measurement for my magnetic for the snap, the metal snap I'm going to be using. That place is 1.5 centimeter, while the lower part that I punched earlier was actually 6 centimeter from that body. So that part that I punched, the second part where the metal fastener will be attached. The metal fastener comes like a set like this. Is 4 of them. So this front particular part, I'm just going to insert it. It comes with a tool set as well. So if you can't get something like this, I'm going to suggest that you make use of probably a button. You can actually attach a button to the lower body and create an opening where I am actually fixing the metal fastener here. Don't forget that particular flap is 18 centimeter long, and the width at the tip that makes it look more like a triangular, make it look like that funny shape, is actually 6 centimeter. That width is 6 centimeter. So this part I'm actually placing, the second part, is actually 6 centimeter from that lower edge. You understand? From that outer edge, that is what it is. And for this, it's perfectly ready. All we need to do is to make use of our shoe glue. Now the reason I'm making use of a shoe glue is for the sake of beginners. Okay, you're just trying to see how you can create a wallet, and then you can actually do this. Now I will suggest that even after you have done this, you can decide to go and actually stitch it. Take it to probably a store where they have a machine that can stitch for you. Just tell them what to do, and they will just go ahead, follow the instructions and do what you want, and your wallet is ready. Now don't forget, you can decide to align the leather. Place another one in the inner part if you want to. Yes, if you want to. But if you don't want to, this is actually also very, very perfect. If you want it longer than this, you can make the whole length about 45 centimeter. So you now begin to fold all of the flap like I just folded this one, so that at least you can insert pen. This one you can't use pen, you understand, but you can keep your few things inside this particular one. I'm sure you can see what it really looks like. It can actually be made in different colors. Yes, you can put money, you can put whatever you want into this as well. So I hope you're going to be trying this out. Let me see what you have. Bye.